Good morning. It is Monday, and Monday is my favorite day of the week for a lot of reasons. Monday is admin day, aka get shit done day. Mondays, I don't really go into the shop and do lashes. I use Monday to pretty much work on my business instead of in my business. I have a laundry list of things to get done today. I have this really bad habit of putting more on my schedule than actual hours in the day. So we're going to see if I can get everything that I have to do done before 7 o'clock. I'm meeting up with my mom tonight to go see the new Beetlejuice. Let me pull up my Notion app. You guys see that? Admin day 9/9. I have so much stuff to get done today. Vlogging, obviously. We always are going to start the day with the gym. It's 9:18. That's really late for me to be going to the gym. I typically like to go at 6:30 or around 7 in the morning just to get it done and get it out the way early. I do have so much to do today, and I know that my day isn't going to end until like 10 p.m. I didn't want to go too early and like burn myself out and crash at like 8 or 7. Today is going to be a glute focused workout. I call this workout an at-home BBL. It's going to consist of 5 exercises. I'm going to start on the Stairmaster. Possibly, we're going to see. My legs are still kind of sore from last week's glute day, but maybe 7 minutes on the Stairmaster. Obviously stretch. I'm going to do some hip thrusts, reverse lunges, some RDLs, of course, back extensions, and then I'm going to end my day in the sauna. So that's going to be a really good workout. Okay, I had to do like a little switcheroo, but anyways, I call this my at-home BBL because it's a really great workout for building your glutes. So hopefully I'm walking out limping. That's what I consider a successful leg day. I might have my friend meet me at the gym. I already have made my pre-workouts. These early mornings, we need some pre-workout. I like to use Kinetic by the Ambrosia Collective. I don't feel any jitters. I don't have like a hard crash. I don't really like to eat too much before I go to the gym. However, I am on a super strict high protein diet right now because I am trying to gain. So I do have a high protein bar. This protein bar is 20 grams of protein, and it actually tastes good. My goal protein is 180 grams of protein. I just downloaded the MyFitnessPal app so that way I can really start tracking my protein. We're gonna see how many grams of protein I'm able to get in my day today. You literally can track everything. So yesterday I had a Chipotle bowl. There was a bunch of protein in that Chipotle bowl, and it's pretty simple. Like, you can just log your food. I did get the premium version. You know, one thing about it, I'm gonna pay for convenience, and you can just scan the barcode. I'm just gonna scan it with my phone, and it pops up just like that. Protein bar, chocolate chip, and now it is tracking my day. So after I go to the gym, I'm going to eat a real breakfast. And then I have so much content that I need to batch create for both me and the Lash Vault. I've written down the content that I want to batch create here. Some of it's already created, like long form videos that I just need to edit. I have a meeting with my assistant at 2 p.m. No. I have a meeting with my assistant at 3 p.m., which is a super important meeting because we're doing a lot of restructuring and just re-strategizing for the Lash Vault, focusing on things that really help bring us the highest return without having to consistently exchange time for money. So I'm really big on productivity, guys. A lot of entrepreneurs, especially like lash techs, hairstylists, and nail techs, we feel like the best way for us to make money is by taking appointments. My business has been built primarily on taking appointments, not just with me, but also with having other stylists in the salon. And there is a cap with how much money we can make doing so, because I mean, at the end of the day, like, we're still again exchanging time for money, so there are only a certain number of labor hours that we can get within a day. So we're focusing on just restructuring and re-strategizing, focus on the things that are really bringing us the highest return and that are more scalable. We also have to talk about our next group class. A lot of people have been asking me, when am I going to host my next group class? And I am going to give the people what they want. So we're going to do another group class, so we have to discuss the structure and just the promo calendar. What is that launch going to look like? We have a couple of other digital products that we're getting ready to launch. Just a lot of stuff that I need to talk to with my assistant. I have to meal prep today. With me focusing on making sure that I'm getting as much protein as I need, I have to make sure that I'm prepping my meals early or I will not eat like I should. I'm gonna end the day on the whiteboard because I do need to play with some numbers. Me and my boyfriend, we probably have at least 6 or 7 whiteboards in the house. Like, we're really big on strategizing. If there's a problem, we're gonna put it out on the whiteboard, we're gonna talk to each other, and we're gonna figure out how do we solve the problem. Those are the highest priority things that I have to do today. So hopefully I can get everything done. Let's go ahead and go to the gym. Okay, that workout definitely just whooped my ass, but I love workouts like that because those are the most effective ones. I didn't end up sitting in the sauna because, like I said, I have a lot of stuff to do today. It's not like super necessary. As you saw, I did RDLs, hip thrusts. I did 8x8x8 with the hip thrusts, 8 regular hip thrusts, 8 1 to 2 inch pulses, and then an 8-second hold. That right there will definitely do it. You'll really feel it right in your glutes. I did some back extensions and I did some reverse lunges. So overall, it was a really, really good workout. Now I'm about to go make some breakfast, high protein waffles, some eggs, turkey sausage. I might do some yogurt depending on how full I get, or I might just do the yogurt a little bit later as a snack. My boyfriend just called me and asked me if I could do something else for him too. I am always willing to do because he's so helpful, especially when it comes to my business. He's an entrepreneur as well. We are always able to just collaborate and like really be productive together. So anything he asked me to do, I do. Anything I ask him to do, he does, because it just benefits each other. You're just hustling, I'm hustling, we're both hustling, and we both just getting stuff done. Also, I hit 170 today. I have been trying to gain weight for forever. My metabolism is really fast, so I lose weight super, super easily. I sit at like 165. I'm trying to get to 175. So for me to be at 170 today is just like amazing. I'm super happy. So anyways, let's go inside. Let's get something to eat and get the rest of this day started. Breakfast is done. This meal is 60 grams of protein. Earlier when I went to the gym, I had that protein bar. So far for the day, we're at 80 grams. I have 100 more to go, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to eat, take a shower, and then get to work. Okay, I just had a super productive call with my assistant, which is like mandatory on Mondays, admin days, because we need to be able to like effectively plan out our weeks. What are we going to be prioritizing? We're pretty much like restructuring our entire business model. Having an assistant is essential for my business because there are a lot of things that I really need help doing. Before I hired her, I was like, oh my gosh, can I afford an assistant? Is this going to be a good hire? But I have been able to get so much more done and focus on things that really help actually grow the business. Understanding delegation was really, really, really important for me, even though sometimes we don't want to necessarily pay somebody to do what we think we can do ourselves. The amount of time that you'll save will make you so much more money. So we had a super productive call. It was about an hour long. We discussed products for the website, what is our main focus going to be, what type of content do we want to push moving forward, strategize literally for the next 6 weeks what we want to focus on, events coming up, a class that I have coming up, a webinar that I have coming up, and also looking into bringing another assistant on board. We are really doing a lot of volume right now in so many places. We offer lash appointments, brow appointments, in-person training, online training, lash products, mentorship, ebooks. It's really important to just like have a really good strategy with how you want to prioritize and make sure that everything is getting nurtured the way that it needs to. It's literally already 4 o'clock and I still have not meal preps. Like I said, I tend to put more on my schedule than I actually have time for, but I can do it. I can do it. So let's go ahead and get this situated. Okay, so here are the finished meals. I did garlic butter steak, potatoes, and broccoli, and a Cajun cream chicken with white rice and broccoli. I'm running like super late for this movie, so I'll tell you guys about all the carbs and protein and just all the nutrients that are inside of this when I get back. I don't want to be too late, so I'm gonna go ahead and go and see you guys when I get back. I just made it back from the movies and I am exhausted. I'm ready to go to bed. It's 10 o'clock, but Beetlejuice was really good, and I'm glad I got to spend some time with my mom. I measured all the meals, and I checked the nutrition facts, and I put them inside of my fitness tracker, like I told you guys about earlier today. Each of the meals are about 40 grams of protein. I think the chicken is 38, and the steak meal is 37. However, I did not hit my goal for the day. Womp, womp, womp. I tried, but I did not succeed. I logged my breakfast. I didn't have lunch, like I said. Dinner, I had my chicken sliders and some sweet potato fries. For snacks, I had that protein bar first thing in the morning, and I had a protein shake. And so, yes, I'm 529 calories and 46 grams of protein short. We're definitely going to be on top of it all week, but like I said, I am exhausted. I am about to take a shower, lay down, and close my eyes because I do have to be up again early. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. If there's anything that you have any questions about or anything that you guys want to see in future vlogs, especially when it comes to administrative days or just running your lash business, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.